Hello everyone, I am RB Jules coming to you from STO Handmade Craft Spot. Today I'm going to show you my some of my beads that I buy when I do a bead haul for my personal stash. I do have beads that I have and use and sell, but there are times that I like to buy beads that I use personally in my own jewelry that I oftentimes show on this channel. And I want to say hello everyone. So of course it is fall, and I got some beads online, and they're all Czech glass beads, and we're gonna go through every last bead that I got. So these are the first ones that I got here, and these are Czech glass teardrop beads. And let me see if I can get one out to show you. And so this is what it's looking like. It looks kind of dichroic, like with the glass effect. And it is glass. It looks dichroic with the different colors mixed in to make the glass look like that. And then the other side is just orange. So I have two of them. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them yet, but I love Czech glass beads. I really would love to go to Prague, and that's where Czech glass beads come from the Czech Republic. I would love to go to Prague and be able to go through the factory and see the beads. And then here's some teardrop shaped faceted copper glass beads. They are so pretty. And then I got some leaves. If you've seen any of my work, you know I love to work with leaves. Generally I'm like fringing, when I'm working with glass beads, but sometimes I actually put them in my design. And so I got two of these. So I got some of them. And let me know in the comments below if you would like for me to get Czech glass beads to sell. And just a little preview. I have left Etsy, and I am planning to move to another selling platform before I actually work on getting my own website. So here's some more Czech glass leaves, and these are like a smoke brown color. They're like, you know, transparent, but I love these beads. And then I got these leaves here. It's two sets of leaves. I love working with leaves. I love leaves and flower petals in my work. So, and I had ran out, so I got some more of them. Let's put these back in here. And then I got some 4mm translucent gold glass faceted beads. I love working with these also. And I got 4 strands of these. So I absolutely love these. I love they make great to add wonderful details to your work. And next I got some ammonite, faux ammonite Czech glass beads with a turquoise finish. and I thought these were so pretty. You can make earrings with these. They can be a focal piece in the design. They can be a bracelet if that's what you choose to do with them. I think they are absolutely beautiful. So I got that, and then of course I got some more leaves. I should have gotten more of these leaves. These leaves are absolutely pretty. I wasn't sure how they were going to look, so I didn't get those, but I will next time. And let's put that there. And as you can see, I bought a lot of beads. I absolutely love beads. And then I got these little square flower beads. Hopefully you can see them. Let's take one out so you can look at it. So here is what they look like. Let me see. There they go. This is what they look like. And they are so pretty. They are so pretty. And I got 2 bags of these. Here's the other one. So as you can see, I got 2 bags of those. And let me see what else we have in here. And then we have these round disc beads with a little edge to them, and kind of a pumpkin color. It's fall, so it's kind of focusing on getting beads that are more of a pumpkin color that's in my design. And I do want to share with you that I'm trying to decide what video format I'm going to use, when I'm going to actually teach, you know, tutorials and things like that, and how all of that's going to work out. Because to be honest, I do suffer with a lot of stress and anxiety, and sometimes it's difficult for me to do that. So I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to do it in like one setting or 2, you know, or in parts. So I'm going to see how that works best for me so that I can share beads with you. Sorry about the airplane noise that's going over. So here are the round floral beads, y'all. I absolutely love these beads right here. They are so pretty. You can wear them on their own. You can make, you know, a cute little petite pendant necklace. It can be a focal bead in a piece. I don't know what I was saying just then. So you can definitely do that. And I got that color. And then I got some of the little sunflower ones. Let me put it so you can actually see the little sunflowers on here. They are so pretty. So, and I got these 2 that I'm going to be using in upcoming pieces. I just was feeling the idea to have, you know, some autumn pieces, or to make, you know, use beads for the autumn. And let's see here. And then I have some bronze colored 4mm faceted Czech glass fire polish beads. That's what these are here. And for years I've used gemstones and crystals, and when I, you know, started using Czech glass beads, I actually was like, wow, where have they been all my life? So I have those, and then I have some of the, actually I got 3 strands of the orange Czech glass faceted beads. These are 3mm. they're definitely good to accent, or you know, they can be your focal point in a bead weaving design. So so I have those. And then I bought a lot of beads. I guess I was just in the mood to really get some beads. So I have these beads right here. These are 3mm two-tone red fire polish beads, I guess mixed with the gold in it. So I definitely can use that, and I think it would be so pretty. And then I have these. These are 8mm green mix. Make you think about the leaves outside as they change from the gold to the green in them. So I got these right here. And then it's only a few more things that I got here. And I got some Miyoki. These are Miyoki seed beads. This is a mix. I generally do my own mixes, but this mix is so pretty, and I thought I would get this mix right here. So that's that one. And then these are also Miyoki seed beads, and I got this mix right here. So pretty. So that's another one. These are all Delica seed beads. And then I got this color right here, which is absolutely beautiful. I think I already have this color. I'm not sure. Well, something like it, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then I got that one, and then I have two of these. Let me see. I have two of these right here. So yeah. So this is the bead haul. This is all that I got when I was shopping online, and I decided to get some Czech glass beads. So I have leaves. I definitely need to get some more leaves. But these are all that I have here today, and you will see them again. Like I said, I'm working on a format of how I'm going to do videos and how I'm going to be able to teach. I probably will do a little bit more vlogging. So just stick with me as I work through all of this process and figure things out. And might do some behind the scenes and things of that nature. So you can see what it looks like in my world of me beading. So until next time, happy crafting.